So this video today is about how to maintain, or trim really, a weeping mulberry. Behind me is a weeping mulberry on my property. It's a tree that I will install in many landscaping projects for homeowners and commercial properties. And this video is to help them and you trim this to look a little more clean. This particular weeping mulberry I recovered from a friend's property about 15 years back. They didn't like it, they didn't want it, and they were going to cut it down. I dug it up and I moved it to a previous house, to the house that I'm living in now. And when I was selling that previous house, I wrote into the sales agreement that we would keep this tree. I will generally take my hedge trimmers and cut an even line all the way around the mulberry. For some folks who don't have hedge trimmers or not confident in their ability to make a level line from the cuttings, I'll show you what you can do. You need some rope, a pair of scissors. You'll simply create a plumb line around the outside of the tree. Once you have the string around the tree, you just step back and make an adjustment to make sure that it's level. You can bring a 2-4 foot level to do this, but you can eye it as well. Now you have your string circling the tree. It's relatively level. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's relatively level. You can go ahead and start making some cuts. If you don't have hedge trimmers, some simple snips will do it. What you want to do is cut below the string line, not above. You want to cut below the string line. I tend to try to cut about a couple inches below the string line. Now, if you're using hedge trimmers, I would suggest, again, using your snips, going in and cutting a space within the branches to allow easy access for that hedge trimmer to get in there. So with the hedge trimmer, as I said, I cut a little space to start from. I'm going to hold the hedge trimmer at the same height and walk around the outside of the branches. You can see hedge trimmers really make this job quite simple. To reach the top part, you might need a ladder. You can use your hedge trimmers. You can use your snips while you're up there. If you have a pole saw, the height of mine and the branches that are sticking upwards are reachable with my hedge trimmer, so I'm just going to use my hedge trimmers. cleanup, all I'm gonna do is take my scissors. I'm gonna cut the string that I laid around the outside of the tree. I'll lay that string down, put the branches on top of it, tie them all together. And it's simple as that. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Please take time to subscribe to my channel and like it as well. Any comments, please put them in the comment section. I'd be happy to respond.